Hello friends, welcome to my channel JMB Rudraksh Science Classes. Today I will discuss with you next 30 questions of biology part of HP TET Medical June 2020. So question number 91, Father of Plant Physiology. Father of Plant Physiology, Stephen Hales, Robert Koch, Aristotle, G.J. Mendel. So its correct option is Stephen Hales. Now the question number 92. Plants grow in lower light intensities are called. Means plants grow in lower light intensities. Heliophytes grow in the high light intensities. Long day plants, shade tolerant plant and day neutral plants. So option number C is correct. Shade tolerant plant. Now the question number 93. Which of the following are largest decomposer of forest? So options are lion, molds and mushrooms, yeast and none of the above. So lion is incorrect answer. None of the above incorrect, and yeast and mold mushrooms are fungi, saprophytic, but its correct option is molds and mushrooms because they are the decomposers. Now question number 94. Which part of poppy plant yields opium? Which part of poppy plants plant yields opium? First, latex from the unripe capsules, dried roots, dried leaves and dried seeds. So its correct option is latex from unripe capsules. Now the question number 95. The line which lies between 55 degree to 60 degree latitude can't grow trees beyond it is called. So options are terai, ecotone, timberline and wall line. So because we know that trees body is related to the timber, and the question is that the can't grow trees, so it means its correct option is option number C, timber line. Now the question number 96. The 10% law is related to. 10% law related to first options are first option Mendelian genetics, non-Mendelian genetics, energy transfer from lower trophic level to higher trophic level, and energy consumption during the photosynthesis in C4 plants. So its correct option is option number C. 10% law is the transfer of energy from one trophic level to the higher trophic level is transfer only 10% of energy. So one trophic level transfer करता है 10% of energy to the next trophic level. Now the question number 97. Taxol that is used as an anti-cancer drug is extracted from bark of which of the following plants? So option Papaver somniferum, quinine, T. baccata and penicillium. So T. baccata is full form is Taxus baccata. So Taxus term word is from the Taxol word. So Taxol is used as an anti-cancer drug, that is the option number C. Example is Taxus baccata and T. baccata. Now in the question number 98. Which of the following countries has the highest biodiversity? So which of the following countries has the highest biodiversity? Options are Brazil, South Africa, Russia, India. So its correct option is the Brazil, because the most highest biodiversity, first one is Brazil, then China, Peru and so on. So now the question number 99. The organization which publishes the red list of species. The organization which publishes the red list of species. The red list means endangered species. Options are given IUCN, ICFRE, UNEP and WWF. So its correct option is option number A, IUCN, which full form is International Union of Conservation for Nature. Now the question number 100. Velamen, a spongy tissue on roots, is characteristics of which roots? So velamen is spongy tissue on roots and is a characteristics of which roots? Examples, options are floating roots, assimilatory roots, parasitic roots, or epiphytic roots. So its correct option is option number D, epiphytic roots, which grow on the another plants, that is the epiphytic roots. Now the option number 101, phylloclade is a modification of. Phylloclade is the modification of. Options are stem, petiole, root, all the above. This correct option is the stem, because phyllo means leaf like. When the stem is modified into a leaf like structure is called the phylloclade. So its correct option is the stem. Now the question number 102, select the correct match. So यहाँ पे आपको correct match जो है वो select करना है. So its options are colchium, autumnalini, solanaceae, petunia, solanaceae, and gloriosa, fabaceae, and trifolium, liliaceae. So we know that petunia belongs to the family solanaceae. So its correct option is option number B. Now the question number 103, placenta and pericarp are both edible portion in. So placenta, we know that in the fruits ovules are attached through the placenta in the ovary, and the pericarp is the outer covering of the fruit, means peels of the fruits, and both portions are eatable. In apple, no. In banana, no. In tomato or a potato. This correct option is tomato, in which the placenta and pericarp are both edible portion. Edible means eatable. Now the question number 104, osmophore secretes. Osmophore secretes salts, food, essential oil, or none of these. Its correct option is essential oil. Now question number 105, osmotic pressure of pure water. So osmotic pressure means pressure created for the osmosis, and it is in pure water, that is 0, 1, less than 0, or 100. So its correct option is 0, because pure water is a osmotic pressure is 0. Now the question number 106, what is hydroponics? So what is hydroponics? It is a new technique for growing the plants in the nutrient solution without the soil. So its options are water, solution containing all the nutrients, greenhouse, or liquid. So its correct option is option number B, solution containing all the nutrients. Now question number 107. So 107 question is cyclic photophosphorylation synthesis. Cyclic photophosphorylation in means PS1 system. So in the PS1 system, which synthesize? Option number A, only ATP, B, ATP and NADPH, ATP and NADPH2, or none of the above. This option number A is correct, only ATP. Now the question number 108, genus represents. So genus means the first name, because we know that scientific name in two parts, binomial nomenclature, genus and species. So genus, an individual plants or a animal, a collection of plants or animal, group of closely related species of plants or animal, none of these. So its correct option is option number C, group of closely related species of plants or animals. Now question number 109, smallest animal virus is. The smallest animal virus is foot and mouth virus, pox virus, tobacco mosaic satellite, Geocitrus tristeza virus. So its correct option is foot and mouth virus. Now the question number 110, what is common between parrot, apes means platypus, and kangaroo mammals? So option is oviparity, no, homeothermy, toothless jaw, या फिर फंक्शनल पोस्ट नेलर एनल टेल, functional post anal tail. So its correct option is option number B, means homeothermy. Homeothermy means maintaining the temperature like the humans. ठीक है, means warm blooded. animals. So the question number 111. So 111, venom of cobra attacks. The venom of cobra attacks on the digestive system, immune system, nervous system, or a circulatory system. So it's attack on the nervous system. Now the question number 112, a connective tissue sheath covering a muscle fiber is called. The connective tissue sheath covering a muscle fiber is called endomysium, perimysium, epimysium, or none of the above. That is the endomysium. Now the question number 113, forests of nephridia are. The forests of nephridia are septal nephridia, integumentary nephridia, या pharyngeal nephridia. So it is integumentary nephridia. Now the question number 114, who proposed the law of constant chromosome number? Who proposed law of constant chromosome number? So its options are Outdet, Starsberger, Fleming, Rudolf Virchow. This correct option is option number B, Starsberger. Now the question number 115, what is the formula of chlorophyll A? The chlorophyll A formula C15H17 O6N4 Mg, not 35, not 54, not C55H72O5N4 Mg is the correct formula of the chlorophyll A. Strongest amylase is, which one is the strongest amylase? Salivary amylase, gastric amylase, intestinal amylase, pancreatic amylase. So its correct option is the pancreatic amylase is the strongest amylase out of these. Now the option number 117, what is dextrocardia means? Dextrocardia, heart present on the right side of the man, enlargement of heart, inadequate blood flow to a part of heart, inflammation of pericardium. So we know that dextro word we know in the mirror images structures, levorotatory and dextrorotatory. Levo means left, dextro means right, so its word is related to with that right. So its correct option is heart present on right side of a man. Now the question number 118, kidney receives about dash of blood per minute. So 800, 1500, 900, 1200 ml of blood. So it receives option number D is correct, 1200 ml of blood. Now the question number 119, number of bones in human skull. So number of bones in human skull mainly 22. Out of that 6 divided into 14, 6 skull and 14 facial, that is total 22. But out of that there is a not option of 22, so that's adding 6 bones of ear ossicles. 22 plus 6 is 28, but now one is hyoid bone, that is the human head. All human total head bones are the 29, so right option is option number D, 29. Now my last question of biology part, that is the pecten, a comb like structure is found in the eye of. So pecten is a comb like structure is found in the birds, so its right option is option number C, in the birds. Thank you. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will come with the next video with the psychology part of paper June 2020 HP TET medical. Thank you.